Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. What better way than to be in your pajamas and have some strawberry cheesecake ice cream. Get into your duvet and have some. So I've made a little batch here and here it is. Look at that. The strawberry, the little cakey part. Oh, so I'm all comfy and here's my taste test. No blender, no ice cream maker, nothing. Just 5 minutes and you have strawberry cheesecake ice cream. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's get straight into the recipe. You take a mixing bowl and in goes 100 grams of cream cheese, which has been softened. You can just keep it out of the fridge for about an hour and you give it a good mix. Next, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of confectioner's sweetener. Please don't use the grainy one because it's not going to work in this ice cream. It'll all turn out gritty. So give that again a good mix. This recipe is again all about the mixing. We are not using a blender, we are not using an ice cream maker. So see that you keep mixing it with the spatula. Next we have 100 grams of cream. You can use any kind of cream. You can use single cream, heavy cream, double cream, heavy whipping cream, anything will do, not a problem. I've put it in 2 batches just so that I carry on mixing it even better. Now in goes 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In that goes, and again mix. You want to make it really into a lovely smooth mixture. That is how it works really well. Now I'm using 1/4 of a cup or a lactose-free milk. Feel free to use almond milk, coconut milk or soya milk. In that goes, and again the mix. Such a simple recipe, so easy to make. No ice cream maker needed, no unnecessary appliances. Okay, now I'm taking a box, a plastic box with a lid. In that goes, you put in the mixture into that and see that every last bit goes in. This ice cream is really yummy. I mean, you can make a bigger batch if you want to make a bigger batch, double the quantities and you'll get it. Okay, now I'm using a strawberry jam which has been sweetened with xylitol, and I find that really convenient in this recipe. But if you don't have this, then just take a few strawberries, put them into a pan, add a bit of a sweetener and put it over the heat for about 2-3 minutes and mash it up, and then put it in little bits into your mix. In that goes, and I think I'm going to add a little bit more. Why not? We want it nice and strawberry so that we want that taste to be very prevalent. Otherwise it'll just turn out into vanilla ice cream. So there's so many variations you can do in this. Okay, now in that goes, and mix again. You won't see it because the mixture is a bit liquidy. You won't see the strawberry bits, but when it freezes you'll see it. I'm adding a few more bits and I'm literally letting them float on top. Okay, now a bit of the video got chopped off, so to give it that cheesecake, already there's cream cheese in it, so that's going to give you the cheesecake flavor. But to get that cakey taste in it, take any of your cookies, your sugar-free cookies or your low-carb cookies, maybe even a peanut butter cookie, crumble it up and put it into this mixture. You can also use any cake or muffin, low-carb cake muffin that you have lying around. So I hope this is going to freeze overnight, and I'll see you in my next video.